Now let's select an audience. The audience is all the people that want to see your email. You don't have to send it to everyone. You can personalize your email for any portion of your clients. Maybe you want to send your email to a specific city or state. Maybe you have a group of VIP clients that you want to give a special offer. With Bigly, it's easy as pie. You can filter any lists that have been uploaded at the same time by country, state, city, title, and company. You can also filter by the tags that you have added to a list or individual. We have done a separate video explaining how to create and organize tags. Please go to our YouTube channel for more information. Now that you are done selecting your audience, you can schedule your blast for any time and date. Click on the Schedule button at the bottom right of the screen. This will take you to a calendar where you can select a date and time. Then click the Schedule button at the bottom right of the screen to schedule the blast. That's it! You're done! The message will be sent at the time and date you've scheduled to the exact audience you have selected. If you want to send a text blast right away, just select your audience and click Send on the bottom right. That's it! You're all done! Easy as 1, 2, 3.